Dougie, who's that?
That's the new engine Hamilton, Donny.
She looks sad, like something's missing.
Aye, she was very close to Hank before he disappeared. Surely she's sad about her friend going missing.
Aye, should we go try and cheer her up?
Ach, aye, Donny. We don't ever want to start a conversation with another engine, especially one you're just new meeting. What's gotten into you? Did you have some bad kill?
No, I just want to make the wee lass feel a bit better. I bet it's hard losing someone you're close with. I almost lost you.
Alright, you go and talk to her then.
Are you not coming with me?
No, I need to refill with kill. I'll give 3 blows of my whistle when I need you.
Alright. Hello. I don't believe we've met before. It's Hamilton, right?
Oh, yes, it is. And you're Douglas, or is it Donald?
I'm Donald. How are you liking Sodor?
It's a beautiful island. I don't have many friends, though. I haven't really had the motivation to go talk to anyone ever since... Well, ever since Hank left. I'm sorry,
Shh, it's alright, lass. I don't know how you're doing it, to be honest. I almost lost my twin, Douglas. It was the hardest time in my life. Just know all of us on Sodor are here for you.
Thank you, Donald.
Of course, lass.
Well, that's my whistle. Thank you for talking, Donald. I really appreciate it.
Anytime, lassie. Wow.
You look happy, Donald. Did you and Hamilton have a pleasant conversation?
Aye, she's amazing, Rebecca. The most beautiful engine ever.
Sounds like someone's got a crush.
No, I don't. I just thought she looked sad and could use someone to talk to.
Where is he?
Oh, sure.
Donald!
Aye!
We're gonna be late if you didn't get your tender over here.
No, we won't.
Aye, we will.
No, we won't.
Aye, we will.
Oh, twins.
Oh, she was brilliant, Dougie. Her lining was so neat. Her dome was so shiny. And her bra shone brightly in the sunlight. She's like a goddess. She's an inside cylinder engine, like us, Dougie. Has he been like this the whole time?
Aye, it's driving me mad.
I wish there was something I could do.
Thanks, Bert.
Also, Douglas.
Thank you, Rex.
Her eyes were gorgeous. Did they tell you about the brasswork?
Aye.
Oh, well, how about the lining?
Donald! You've told me everything about her. Shut up about her and go to sleep.
Did I interrupt something?
No, sir. What do you need?
I need one of you to go up to the Peel Godred branch to help Hamilton with the steel for the rebuilding of Vickerstown. Handling the goods work and the passenger service has grown too much for her. I'll go, sir. Gives me a chance to get away from bothering Douglas. Oh, well, alright, Donald. The job is yours. Head there right away. Good night, engines.
Good riddance, that's tasty.
Can you not let me be happy sometimes? God, Douglas. I never get me way. You always have the biggest adventures. You rescued Oliver. You found Thomas in the snow. You always go in front so you can see the scenery. And this is how I get repaid. I can't even speak. You know, why did I ever bother to help you escape? I've always been second best. I always will be. Hope you sleep well. Bye.
Donnie, wait, I'm sorry. I didn't know.